Hello everyone, my name is Wendy Hartman. I'll be your professor for this course. What I'd like to begin with today is a little overview of how you're going to be moving through Blackboard and taking this online course this semester. The first thing you'll be doing is logging in, of course, and then you'll have this page appear. This is the home page. My first suggestion is for you to familiarize yourself with all of the Blackboard tools. You can basically just click onto these items and it'll show you what they are. The computer is going to run a little slow here today, I guess. Of course, you have all these tools. Notice that the menu will minimize itself and it'll only show the icons. Gives you a little bit more room in your screen. But you can see, of course, we've got everything going on here. Alright, so let's go back to the home page and let's go ahead and minimize that window there. There we go. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to make sure, first of all, that we're in the right place. This is a majors biology course, so if you are a sociology major or elementary education, or you plan on being a business person, this is not the course for you. There is an easier course called Concepts in Biology, BSc 1005. You might be interested in taking that one. Okay, so just be advised that this is a biology majors course, and you should be taking the BSc 1010 lab with this course. Alright, so let's move along. You're going to be finding your assignments and your mini lectures and your assessments all here in this learning module tool. It's going to kind of guide you through the course. First thing you want to do is click into the the tutorials. This will give you an idea of how to move through Blackboard if you're not familiar with it. Also, it will give you the Smart Thinking tutorial, which is a tutoring service offered to online students 24/7. So even if you're in math, you can ask the Smart Thinking online tutoring service for questions, or speech, or English, or you want somebody to proof your research paper. They'll do it. You have that ability through Smart Thinking. Of course, you can also use them to tutor you in biology as well. Okay? So that'll be your first thing to do, is to click on these tutorials and go through that. The second thing you're going to do is you're going to take a look at what I have listed for you in each of the learning modules. Now this one, of course, is the getting started, and you will see that I will have added my mini lecture to this. By the time I finish it, I'm going to put it in here, but first thing you're going to do is take a look at the syllabus and the schedule, and you're going to go through that, and you'll see the learning outcomes and this chapters we'll be covering, and the test and the points, and just take a look at that, all the contact information. And the best way to contact me is to stay in your Blackboard email through Blackboard only if you are an enrolled student. Just read through this. It's a lot of information. I'm not going to read through it, of course, for you now. I'm going to continue on here. You're going to have some ongoing assignments these are out on in the Online Learning Center and the publisher's website. Publisher's website calls them chapter post tests. I'm going to call them chapter quizzes, because you will have a unit test, a unit assessment after each unit. And I don't want you getting confused and thinking that you only have to take these post tests and that you're going to be finished with testing. No, 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 no. The post tests will be referred to as chapter quizzes. So basically, they're about 20 questions, and you need to score 70%. You're going to need to email me, and I will email you a personal email that I have set up for the class so that you can email me your results for that quiz. And only send me the results that are 70% or above. I don't want to be spam, so I'll set up a Yahoo email for this course, and you just write that email address in the results page and just submit those to me. That's very simple. So the next thing we're going to do is look at student introductions. I want you all to go out and create a message and introduce yourself to the other members of the class and to me. All right, very simple. And then of course you'll have to do your required orientation whenever the due date is set. For this introduction here that I'm giving, the class date and time will be set there. But for future classes that use this introduction, this mini lecture here I'm giving, then your dates of course will be different. Okay, let's go and see what else we have here. The first unit is basically just an evolutionary review. You're going to be watching some videos, reading some information in the chapter, and you're going to watch some evolutionary videos and do a video review, a discussion review. You go out on the discussion board and this tells you what to do. Different topics. First one is what Darwin never knew. After you watch the program, you come out and give your comments. Then of course we got our post tests, but they're actually I'm calling them chapter quizzes. You're going to do 24 and 25. And then of course I just have smart thinking down here just as a reminder that you do have that tutoring program. Okay, let's go back to the learning modules. Your first real unit for actually your major assessments will be Unit 1. I will import mini lectures, of course, and you can use them as a guide to some of the highlights of these chapters, but the chapter material that I have in the outlines will be what I will be testing you on. So, here we'll just take this one and take a look and see what material is here. And it's got to load for a few minutes here. And there we go. Okay, so we just get this big and we can just look through and see what we got here. Is chemistry and carbon and different kinds of things here. Okay, and I'll be giving you some lectures on some of these things. And I will be updating these materials for you as I go along. Okay, so Just another one. And this will coincide with your book, of course, and you'll just go along with, you know, the outlines, and you'll be expanding on these outlines. Basically, these are outlines that I would use if I was giving a lecture, and you will be expanding on them as you are taking a course online. Therefore, you're expected to do a lot of work on your own. So you'll be gathering information through the website, through the internet search engines, and through your book. So I hope this little mini overview has helped you, and I hope you have a great day. Until next time, bye-bye.